This is my Gumroad dashboard analytics for the last 3 months, from simple PDF digital products I built with Claude AI. So if I had to delete my Gumroad account and start again from zero, I would follow these exact 4 steps that we're going to do together right now. And at the end of this video, I'll show you how much money we made from this strategy. We're not going to create a random product and hope someone buys it. First, I'm going to find a digital product that is already working and already getting sales using a research strategy most people don't know about. Then we'll recreate it in our own way with Claude AI. And trust me, you're not ready for the result Claude will give us when I connect it with the secret tool I'll show you. After that, we'll publish everything on Gumroad, test a proven ad strategy, and I'll also show you the free ways to promote your product if you don't want to spend money on ads. Without wasting any more time, let's find a digital product that is already working. I'm not going to tell you to follow your passion or sell what you know like 90% of gurus out there tell you. That's how you waste time building something nobody wants. We need something that's already proven to work. And the best place to find that is the Facebook ads library, where you can see exactly what people are running ads for right now. So just search for Facebook ads library on Google. It will pop up first. Select a top-tier country like Germany, then search for one of these keywords. These are the most used ones for digital products. Now click on filter and select ads that have been running for more than 5 days, because we all know testing takes 3 days. So if it passed that, it means he liked the results. Now just scroll and look at this one. It's an ebook about sales strategies, and he's been running it since September 2025. That's a strong signal the ad may be working. But we're not stopping at one. We're going to build a list. So I created this Google sheet. I'll drop the link on the blog so you can use it too. Just log the product name, the landing page link, and the Facebook ad link. Then do the same for the rest. And honestly, I found some crazy products I never would have thought of without this, like an exercise book to improve your cello skills. But the niche I kept seeing everywhere, weight loss ebooks for both men and women. Once you have your 10 products, you need to pick the best one based on factors like search demand, audience size, and more. So here's what I do. I download the product list, go to Claude AI, upload it, and use this prompt right here. Just like that, it will analyze everything and tell you which one has the most potential. In our case, it's this, the 40-page hormone mapping protocol. But we're not going to copy it. We need to upgrade it, make it unique. Which brings us to step 2, rebuild it with Claude AI in your own way. And to upgrade that digital product, we first need to upgrade Claude AI. And we do that by linking it to Higgsfield AI. We all know Claude is one of the best when it comes to PDF creation, with tables, analytics, charts, and structured layouts. And we also know Higgsfield AI is one of the best tools for image and video generation with all the latest models. So if we merge them together, we're basically creating a monster. So first, go to Higgsfield, click on MCP, then select it again here and copy this URL. Now go to Claude AI, click on Customize, then Connectors, click the plus icon, add a custom connector, and paste the URL we copied from Higgsfield. Name it anything you want, then click Add. After that, they'll take you to this page to allow the connection, and that's it. You just created a content studio that could literally cost thousands of dollars if you hired people to do what it can do. Now I'll go to the blog that you'll find in the description, which includes all the prompts we're using, starting with the first one. Paste your digital product link here, along with some images from the landing page. And just like that, it will first give you info about the original product, then an upgraded version with a unique style. So save these 3 things, the name, description, and positioning, because we'll need them in the other prompts, like the second prompt that generates the table of contents. Now look at the result it gave us. You see now why I told you that you just created a monster? The reason this doesn't look like those basic PDFs with text only is because it creates everything in HTML first, so it looks more like a landing page. And don't worry, we'll convert it to PDFs later. So now we'll use the third prompt that lets it generate the ebook chapter by chapter. And again, you'll need to fill in some placeholders. You may ask me, why are we repeating the same info over and over if we're still in the same chat? I'll answer that with this quote, prompt AI like it's 7 and it will answer like it's 70. So yeah, fill in those details carefully and always remember, We only need to create this once and sell it forever. As you can see, this prompt also tells Higgsfield to generate 2 images for each chapter, making the ebook visually rich instead of just walls of text. Now, if you like the first chapter, you can simply tell it to continue generating the next ones. And of course, sometimes it will stop you because of usage limits. Just wait around 4 hours and it will reset again so you can continue in the same chat. Once you generate all the chapters, we'll take the 4th prompt. This one gives you 3 different cover book variations. I'll choose this one. It looks fire. So now we have every element a professional ebook needs. And the 5th prompt is what merges everything together. But don't forget to mention which cover you selected. In our case, it's cover A. So after around 25 minutes, I got the download link to this masterpiece. Now you may be wondering, but how do we convince 40+ women that this is actually a masterpiece? That's exactly what we're going to see in step 3. Package it and publish it on Gumroad. The first thing I'll do is log out of my Gumroad account and create a new one so we can clearly see the exact data for this product without any interruptions. So go to Settings, then Profile, and add your brand info like the name and logo. From here, you can also edit the colors. I prefer the dark theme. After that, go to Payments and link your bank account so you can get paid. Now go to Products and hit New Product. We'll use the 6th prompt on this step. You have to upload the cover image here so it can first generate a high-quality Gumroad cover that showcases the ebook. Then it will generate the full description, title, and everything else. So take that title, paste it here, and for the price I'll do $49.99. But I'll also add a coupon code to boost conversions. So click Next, then add the cover image and description. This description includes everything and answers almost every question a buyer might ask. And at the bottom, you'll see the coupon code, so put any discount you want, like 25%, then copy this full line so we can paste it here in the summary to make it look like this. Now click Next, upload the ebook here, and hit Publish. To activate the discount, click on Checkout, then add discount, and paste your discount code exactly how you wrote it before. Make sure you don't type it wrong. Then select the product we just created, choose the percentage of the discount, and click Add Discount. After that, click on Checkout Form and select only if a discount is available. Now, if someone clicks on I want this and adds the discount code, the price will go from $49 to $37, which makes the offer feel way harder to ignore. And this is exactly why you don't need to waste a lot of time or money building a fancy store or complicated landing page like most gurus say. This simple Gumroad page is enough because most buyers don't decide to buy after reading a long landing page. They usually decide from the ad video. And that's exactly what we're going to see in step 4. Get traffic to make the first sale. I'll begin with the paid strategy through Facebook ads, but if you don't have the budget to start, I got you with the free strategy too. So before closing the Claude section, we still need it for this step.
Wait, don't tell me Claude can create video ads too?
Did you skip the part where I said we just created a monster? Anyway, take prompt 7 and send it in the same chat along with the cover image. Now Claude AI will connect directly to Higgsfield Marketing Studio and start cooking 3 ad creatives for you, from the scripting all the way to the final videos like this.
Your doctor isn't lying to you, they're just looking at the wrong numbers.
2 and 4 a.m. for no reason, this is for you.
5 days at the gym, eating clean, nothing moved. This mapped my exact hormonal pattern.
That's fire. And we can also ask it for image ads too. I'll use only this one. Now we've got 4 different ad creatives. But before heading over to Facebook Ads Manager, there's one last prompt we should run into Claude AI. This one will give you the exact audience you should target so you don't waste money on the wrong people, plus the ad copy and other stuff. So